Welcome, welcome, hello, welcome to the Life and Transitions Experts YouTube channel and Facebook group. I'm your host, Courtney Rollins, here with some more content that hopefully is going to help you through some of the biggest challenges and transitions in your life. As a certified probate expert, I see a lot of people and come across a lot of stories of folks who end up suffering by going through probate. All right. Let's actually talk about, first of all, what probate is. We'll jump right into it. Probate is the act of settling the affairs of someone who's passed away. If you pass away or someone passes away with debt in their name and assets in their name, and they don't have proper legal instruments such as a trust or other designations that we'll talk about briefly today, then they have to go through probate, and it's based on the state of North Carolina. Every single one of you have an estate plan, whether you've done it intentionally or not. And that estate plan is whatever state you're living in if you don't have proper things in place. And here's another thing that a lot of people may not be aware of is that even though you have a last will and testament in place, great job. You've done more than many people in the United States have done. But please know that a last will and testament has to still go through probate. It does not avoid probate. And there are many reasons, in my humble opinion, that you don't want to go through probate. It's expensive. All the fees tacked on is based on how much actual assets total value, regardless of how much debt it is. So you could have a $500,000 house. It has a $499,000 loan on it. You're still going to be taxed or fees are going to be based on that $500,000 plus whatever assets, regardless of how much debt. So it can be very expensive. It's also public. Now, it's one of the ways, because it's public, it's one of the ways that I reach out to folks to see if I can help them. But there are some folks who want to respect their privacy and want to respect their time to be able to actually to process the loss of someone as opposed to having people know what their business is and being subject to the public records. And then number three, it could be very long. We've had some probates. I mean, there's some probates take the outliers are decades in the making. But the average probate can take, you'll expect 6 months to a year of this being a part of your life, and maybe even longer if you're not going through the proper steps. So I really highly encourage folks to avoid probate. It's actually one of the reasons that I added life insurance as one of the tools in our company so that I could go to folks like you and help them actually put things in place so that you can have peace of mind, so that you can live your life knowing that what you love is protected. So let's think about some things. I think we have five up here. One way that life insurance helps you avoid probate is you have a direct beneficiary designated to them. The money goes directly to them, especially if you have a great carrier or a great insurance company. The money will go directly to the beneficiary that designated, doesn't have to go through the probate process. Number two, provides immediate financial support. I know they are mourning the loss of a loved one. They may be mourning the loss of you. That's why we call life insurance love insurance. It's something that you're giving to someone else that you'll never see. Oh, well, unless you use some tools like pulling the cash value. There's other tools we can talk about. But regardless, it's designed so that your loved ones or whoever you designate as a beneficiary will receive this financial support upon your passing. Number three, it's simple and clear. Probate can be very challenging, very confusing. It's not something that I'm dealing with every day, but it's not still there are things and challenges that I have to untie and unknot and learn every day. And it's not something that you necessarily want to do unless you just have a huge passion for it, you know? And number four, it protects you from creditors. So no creditor can go after the funds that you have been putting time and managing every month so that your daughter, your loved one, your son, whomever can have this inheritance or have this benefit based on your passing. So creditors can't go after that. It's an awesome thing. And then it avoids the taxes because if you go through now, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an attorney. I know some places state taxes not maybe the wrong nomenclature or term or name, but when you go through probate, the assets in that year have to be taxed because yeah, if you use life insurance or finance, yeah, life insurance, excuse me, it doesn't have to go through the taxes, so you avoid that. So those are awesome reasons. At least I believe that life insurance and final expense insurance can help you avoid probate and not be a part of the stories that we collect and we hear. My name is Courtney Rollins. If you need support finding the type of protection that you're looking for, feel free to reach out to me. It's 862-816-6332 and Courtney at estateproservice.com. We'd love to help you, love to work with you. This is the Life in Transitions Experts YouTube channel, Facebook. Please hit that like and subscribe. At LITE, we ask you to go ahead and let your light shine. Cheers.